Hey there, amazing learners! Welcome back to our channel where we explore fascinating topics to help you understand the wonders of technology. Today, we're diving into the world of integrating GPT 3.5 into websites and apps to create seamless user experiences. So, sit back, relax, and let's embark on this exciting journey together. Have you ever wondered how websites and apps seem to understand you so well? Well, that's the magic of integrating GPT 3.5. It's like having a super smart assistant helping you out behind the scenes. Imagine chatting with a virtual friend who knows exactly what you need before you even say it. GPT 3.5 is like the brain behind the scenes, making sense of all the words and requests we throw its way. It's an AI model that understands human language, just like we do. So when you ask a question to a chatbot, like "What's the weather today?" it's GPT 3.5 that figures out the answer. Ever visited a website and felt like it knows exactly what you're looking for? That's the magic of GPT 3.5. It makes websites and apps feel personalized, like they were made just for you. Think about when you're shopping online, and the website suggests products you might like based on your past purchases. That's GPT 3.5 in action. Imagine you're stuck on a website and need help. Instead of waiting for hours, you chat with a helpful chatbot that responds instantly. That's the power of GPT 3.5 in customer support. It's like having a friendly assistant available 24/7, ready to answer your questions and solve your problems. Have you ever noticed how your favorite apps seem to know exactly what you want? That's because they're using GPT 3.5 to personalize your experience. For example, when you open a music streaming app, it suggests songs based on your listening history. It's like having a DJ who knows your taste in music inside out. Content creation can be time-consuming, but not with GPT 3.5. It's like having a virtual writer who can churn out articles, social media posts, and even product descriptions in a snap. Imagine a blog that's always updated with fresh content. That's the power of GPT 3.5 at work. Language should never be a barrier, especially online. With GPT 3.5, websites and apps can speak your language, literally. Let's say you're using a translation app to read a recipe in another language. GPT 3.5 makes sure the translation is accurate and easy to understand, so you can cook up a storm in no time. Running a business involves lots of tasks, but GPT 3.5 can lighten the load. It automates routine tasks like scheduling appointments and responding to emails. Picture this: you're a small business owner, and instead of spending hours on admin work, you can focus on what you love, serving your customers. Privacy is super important, especially online. When websites and apps use GPT 3.5, they make sure your data is safe and sound. It's like having a digital guardian protecting your information from prying eyes. So when you see a website with a clear privacy policy, you know they've got your back. And there you have it, folks. Integrating GPT 3.5 into websites and apps is like adding a touch of magic to the digital world. It makes our online experiences smoother, more personalized, and downright awesome. So, Next time you're browsing the web or using your favorite app, remember the magic happening behind the scenes. Thanks for joining us on this journey, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more.